Okay, we're moving on to number 16. This one we're finding the value of x. On this one, probably the easiest thing to do is to find y first. So if I do 360 minus 266, that's going to make this arc 94. I then can do 1/2 of the big arc, 266, minus the small arc, 94. And that's going to equal the angle. So 266 minus 94 is 172. If I divide that by 2, x is going to be 86 for that particular arc. Okay, we move on to number 17. 17, again, using our value that the circle is 360, that's 360 minus 142. That makes y 218. X has a vertex on the circle, so we're going to take 218 and divide it by 2. And x is going to be 109. Let's move down to number 18. 18, and this is an interior angle, not at the center, so we're going to do 1/2 of the two intercepted arcs added together. That's 105 and 99. So 105 plus 99 gives me 204, and half of that is going to be 102. So x is going to be 102. We know x and y together add up to 180. That's a straight line. So 180 minus 102 gives me a y value of 78. Moving on to 19. 19, this is an angle outside the circle. So the angle is equal to 1/2 the big arc, which is 70, minus the small arc, which is x. To get rid of the fraction, if I multiply both sides by 2, I get 28 equals 70 minus x. And if I take 28 minus 70, that gets me negative 42 equals negative x. So x would be 42 in this case. So this arc in here is 42. So 70 minus 42 is 28. Half of that is 14, and that checks out. All right, let's go ahead and move on to number 20. And number 20, again, filling in the values that we know. This is an inscribed quadrilateral. We know that the opposite angles in an inscribed quadrilateral are equal to 180 or supplementary. So this angle is going to be 100. Also think about from A to C, that's 74 plus 86. Well, that's 160. So if this is 160, angle B has to be half of that, which is 80. Opposite angles add up to 180, so this has to be 100. Since this is 100, this angle, this arc here has to be 200. So 200 minus 74 is going to be 126 for this arc. So that makes it pretty easy to fill in then your values. AB is 126. BC I still need to find. So that's going to be 200 minus 126, which makes this 74. So BC is 74. Angle B is 80. Angle C 100. And angle D is also 100.